Hello everyone, happy March. I got my shamrocks there, and it's Women History Month. So for this month's power tune, I thought we'd do a tune by a woman composer. This one is by a great woman composer, fiddler, accompanist named Josephine Keegan. She lives in South Armagh, and I definitely recommend checking out more of her tunes. And you can also hear her play on YouTube or on the Irish Traditional Music Archives. And she wrote a tune called The Curlew, named after a lovely little bird with a long beak. And this bird lives in farmlands and is having a really hard time facing the pressures of mechanized agriculture due to the way they nest in the spring deep in the fields. So I'd pay attention to the curlews, see what you can do to support them. I know that we just lost one species, so always good to stay aware and try to protect our irreplaceable natural resources. So that's my soapbox for the day. So happy St. Pat's, happy Women's History Month, and enjoy this tune. I'm going to play it slowly and then quickly.